Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to go back to Matplotlib and mess around with a line graph, and that is in the Pyplot area, and we'll just jump right into it. So one thing, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell. And the way that we do things around here is that if we're not explicitly talking about it, so if you're ever seeing anything that doesn't make sense, or you don't know where it came from or why I'm not talking about it, that is because there's been previous videos about the subject matter. So all this has been discussed: alias, importing different ways, all those things, or even what Matplotlib does. But all right, we've done histogram graphing, and now we're going to look at how to do a line graph. So all right, let's just look at it. So all right, let's say I want some well, here, let's just draw it. So all right, let's just do a line, just a real simple range, 5. Let's close that out. All right, cool. So then plt dot plot x dot plot dot show, and there we go. Don't believe I missed anything, and let's run this. So all right, so now there's some defaults with plot. So all right, we have, so our first, if you only give one variable, it's going to do the x for you. We'll give it I didn't even check. Okay, good, you can see that. So all right, so here's our 0, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now let's say we want to give it from random import randint. So let's change. Let's do y equals randint 1 through 10 for I in range 5, and let's close this out. Let's change this to y. So okay, again, it's going to default to 0, but here's our first random. So if we were to print y, all right, let's close this. So let's call y. So all right, let's change. So we can look at it. Let's leave that the way. Copy this. Make this y. There we go. Let's graph it. So all right, 2, 3, 6, back to 1, and 7. So now let's close this so we can shut it down. Let's go back to let's change these. Let's say 1, so if we want 5 digits, and let's change this to 6. So we get our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then that's our x. Now that's our x, and this is our y, and I'm using those because we're used to our graphing of our xy plane. So, all right, well, let's run this. So now we changed it. So now we set our own x. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then our corresponding 2, 3, 6, 1, and 7. So there we go. This is a line graph from Matplotlib inside the Pyplot module. So if this is the type of video you like or interested in, give me some thumbs up so I can get some good feedback. And I've also want to tell you guys thank you very much for all the feedback. Been getting a lot of super awesome comments, several video ideas. One that I really liked was, hey, I need you to go be more in depth. I got it. You did okay, but what happens if we do more complicated stuff? So shout out, really appreciate that. And also, if there's a subject matter that I have not touched on, please let me know that too. So I just can't tell you guys thank you enough. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I love doing this. I'm so glad it's helpful. So just thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell, because right now we got videos coming out all the time. Right now it's every single day, so I don't want you missing anything. We have 4 subject matters that we're just kind of rotating through, so you're not getting overwhelmed or bombarded or bored. So just thanks again. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.